Welcome back to another episode of all the jobs that I had. And this week I'm going to talk about one of the easiest jobs I've had and one of the most fun, sort of. This job was Co-op, a grocery store in the UK. In the UK, we have many different brands of grocery stores like Tesco's, Morrison's, Sainsbury's, Aldi, and I worked at one small one, not a very big one, just a small one called the Co-op. And at the Co-op, I did the tills, I stocked shelves, I did stock takes, and one of my favorite jobs was organizing the Sunday newspapers. The Sunday newspapers in the UK are very big, really big. And so if you were in charge of organizing them, you got to sit on the floor and slowly organize the newspapers, putting magazines in and leaflets and another magazine. It was easy work, especially because you got to sit on the floor. Always fun. At the Co-op, I only worked one day a week on Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Got there in the end. One of the best things about working at Co-op was working with lots of my friends. Will, Alex, Jake, Owen, Scott. Very cool to work with friends when we're all 18 years old, all working in the same place. So working on the Sunday was easy and quite fun, really. One of the best things about working at the Co-op was that I met one of my good friends, Julia, and we are still friends to this day. And we still talk about the time that I gave her a CD of ska music, which was the music that I liked and still like to this day. And that has started nearly 2 decades of us going to gigs and being friends. So that was one of the best things from working at Co-op. Whilst working at Co-op, I wanted to earn some more money. So I tried working a shift in the evening time from 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. Ooh, here you go, 9 p.m. However, I was quite a disobedient teenager, and the shift manager decided that she did never wanted to work with me again. So I never managed to work more than that one afternoon shift, and I forever just kept on my Sunday shift. So that was my fourth job already, and I was only about 18 years old. Next time, I'll talk about the job that I had for just 1 week and why that was. See you in the next one in a bit.